Hey there, home enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the world of chalet modular homes. Ever heard of these cozy and charming dwellings? Well, get ready to be amazed. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine a home that's built like a puzzle, piece by piece, off-site. That's the magic of chalet modular homes. These prefabricated structures are designed to mimic the traditional chalet style, with their sloping roofs and rustic charm. The best part? They're highly customizable and can be assembled quickly, making them a popular choice for those seeking a unique and efficient building process. Here are some of the benefits of choosing chalet modular homes. First, speed and efficiency. Say goodbye to lengthy construction timelines. Chalet modular homes can be assembled in a fraction of the time compared to traditional builds. Second, customization. Want a home that's as unique as you are? Chalet modular homes offer a wide range of customization options, from floor plans to finishes. Third, cost-effective. While the initial upfront costs might be similar, chalet modular homes can often save you money in the long run due to reduced labor costs and waste. Fourth, eco-friendly. Many modular homes are built using sustainable materials and energy-efficient practices, making them a great choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Worried about the cost? Don't be. Here are some tips for building a chalet modular home on a budget. First, prioritize your needs. Focus on the essential features and amenities that are most important to you. Second, consider used materials. Look for reclaimed or recycled materials to save money. Third, DIY projects. Take on some DIY projects to reduce labor costs. Fourth, negotiate with suppliers. Don't be afraid to haggle with suppliers for better deals. How to decorating a chalet modular home facade to look good. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Decorating your chalet modular home's facade. Here are some ideas to enhance its curb appeal. First, stone accents. Add a rustic touch with stone accents on the exterior walls and chimney. Second, wooden beams. Highlight the chalet style with exposed wooden beams on the roof and porch. Third, window boxes. Bring a pop of color and greenery with window boxes filled with vibrant flowers. Fourth, outdoor lighting. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with strategically placed outdoor lighting. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best chalet modular home design ideas. 1. Mountain retreat. Imagine waking up to breathtaking mountain views every morning. This chalet design is perfect for those seeking a serene and secluded getaway. Featuring a stone exterior, exposed wooden beams, and a cozy fireplace, this home is ideal for relaxation and rejuvenation. 2. Lakeside getaway. Enjoy the tranquility of lakeside living in this stunning chalet. With large windows offering panoramic water views, a private dock, and a spacious outdoor deck, this home is perfect for entertaining guests and enjoying the beauty of nature. 3. Rustic farmhouse. Channel your inner farmhouse charm with this rustic chalet design. Featuring a wraparound porch, a farmhouse sink, and vintage-inspired decor, this home is perfect for those who appreciate traditional aesthetics. 4. Modern chalet. For a contemporary twist on the classic chalet style, look no further. This design features clean lines, minimalist decor, and large windows that flood the interior with natural light. Perfect for those who appreciate modern design and functionality. 5. Tiny home chalet. Embrace the minimalist lifestyle with a tiny home chalet. Compact yet comfortable, this design offers everything you need in a small package. Perfect for those seeking a sustainable and affordable living option. 6. A-frame chalet. Make a statement with a unique A-frame chalet design. Featuring a distinctive sloping roof and a spacious loft area, this home is perfect for those who appreciate unique and eye-catching architecture. 7. Two-story chalet. Need more space? A two-story chalet is the perfect solution. With multiple bedrooms, bathrooms, and living areas, this design is ideal for families or those who frequently entertain guests. 8. Open plan chalet. Create a sense of openness and flow with an open plan chalet design. Featuring a combined living, dining, and kitchen area, this layout is perfect for those who enjoy a modern and spacious living environment. 9. Off-grid chalet. Live sustainably and independently with an off-grid chalet. Equipped with solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy sources, this home is perfect for those who want to reduce their environmental impact. 10. Multi-family chalet. Need a home that can accommodate multiple families? A multi-family chalet is the perfect solution. Featuring separate living quarters for each family, this design is ideal for extended families or those who frequently host guests. And there you have it, folks. Chalet Modular homes offer a unique and exciting opportunity to build your dream home. With their speed, customization, and affordability, they're becoming increasingly popular among homeowners. So, if you're ready to embark on a building adventure, consider the charm and versatility of Chalet Modular homes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more home decor and design inspiration. Until next time. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best Chalet Modular homes design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.